How to add GIF in product page on Shopify. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add a GIF to your product page on Shopify store. So what you have to do is click this product option on your home page or dashboard. Once you land over here on your dashboard, just click this product option, and once you click this, these options are going to pop up over here. You have to just select the product you want to add the GIF to, and once you click this option, you are going to land over here on this page, and here you can see that I have already added this one GIF. And if you want to, you always have to click this show HTML option. Here you can see that it has put this prompt box for me. I'm going to go to giphy.com for producing some GIFs. You can always choose the one you like, and what you have to do is search for the preferred GIF that you want to choose for your product page and search over here for it. I have already this one loaded, and then you get these three options: favorite, share, and embed. I always go for this embed option and copy the code over here. You can see the link has been copied. If you don't want to use this one, I'm going to choose another one and show you. This one's a related clip. I'm going to choose this one, and you have to just click this share option, and here you can see that I get this embed code option. Here you can just copy the embed code and just paste it over here. Just remove this one. I'm going to remove this one and paste this one, and just click this show editor option again, and here you can see that my GIF has been uploaded to my product page over here. And what you have to do is click save after this once you just upload your GIF over here. So just click save and your GIF is ready and it's uploaded. So yeah, that's the process how you can add your GIFs to your product pages on Shopify store. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.